again. Mentally, you're moving. I'm gonna say why me feel one was in life. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey. The journey. The journey.
Yama wakwaba eba afidikasi so aha ye Adom TV said the money ne dada na watch bia ye ba ne ne mo betwetwe nkomo e de mo favorite eba no money ya beche their journey of life na enne so enye different enne menya iraba bi e wo fie ha sei na chese kromu ha de sa ha bedro pa de enu nti a the president ka sika empedede it wo no de de wonya no kra enne mini ye nuaba e ba betwetwe nkomo na watchi me guest no oye maame free so oye ba tan onye maame nko a osan kra ye yire an aden onye yire nko a osan ye ya ye nuaba esan ye media personality eye Xandy Kamel. Hi Xandy. Hey Xandy, when
say so introduce me or some me fans.
Oh. Me pacho cheers so.
Okay.
Cheers, ye mo kwaba eba the journey so.
Thank you, me das me
Ya boko.
Ya me adom.
Oh why fe?
Me das ya adom.
So far I can say that you are one of the strongest in the media. Because of Niema Ukoma still.
Ijina
wo giginging no.
Odeshi.
And then fa aprabonum. Ujeni no say na akọ so far. How did you started? Ye dempo na princess is it the what training?
My first
Xandy. No wo free hukura na beto industry mo. Everything for your fa aprabonum.
Well, princess did still like midi.
Okay.
Xandy so ye midi ama me and papa edit to me.
Okay.
Full name is Xandy Kamel. And I am a brothelizer no.
A tasso.
Mine Xandy.
That's already.
Me shall say I will Kumase.
Okay.
Na me two movies I will producer behold Macho Productions.
Okay.
And see ono and one day me call her and no catch him so me ho na fe na ultra movie. And see of say ka ode me to ni poster so.
Okay.
And I'm so say me kra me win me nyaya anka metwa. So one of them two come no dem call set so na I think Batman. And I directed that time. When we share Batman and son. So me call na the late Bishop and Emilia Brobe mun na was set no so end. Honestly, omo receiving me very well. Na really start to say me hwe na e bia me hwe camera mo so da bi ha yenya ne sei. It's no gadi kaka krasa and ne me so my nipa.
And na ye Xandy. Now before no, meaning say woko is it immigration na ja. E start ho kakra na kra wo papa. Edi wako school honorable city mpesa akra ye ni was what certificates na twene eye den na wotimi call school wie what practice ye kra would jai just to be in the media space.
Me papa in fact my parents anka so mo ye obi a omo nhyeyen
enka wo
me ana me ka say mpesa me call immigration papa bisa me say metimi na me say ai no say me nko na me call ye ti me ana me say anka say ma me say mpesa me jai and I omo nhye ade na say omo bisa o say ne wo ye no we neje na wo penko ade a omo ni problem with that nti sana
baye but your father brabo from Kumasi Obakra. How is the journey like? Ehini ya tete wo ehini ya wo just a fire film. You see, this one we don't know. We want to know you, not the social media today. The journey. You better say who with Jenny na know their bedroom hano.
Yeah, woman was me tamale.
Okay.
Ona minyi kakra ma me say me nyi no me yerae. Na papa chaten and say wan kopene ba mre na bukaniti.
Akoda nya from Nkrabre.
Me hwanya na menye na me akra bone pa. See, I was but me benyi wo now Oti region.
Okay.
Then Northern Volta, Guaman, Buem in the Jasekan district. I want me papa na oye banker. First, no a teacher. Okay. And sana oko school, I will hope no be banker.
Okay.
And see, husband papa a teacher, no a banker, no a dear no. Na me mama so a trader. First no ton jewels. Okay. And no jaya no beton or no ba ofie kra na se batema e be fatuna. Okay. No akoto to. na me a Xandy aswame na
makwa boni na wasenya koton na so oni made ton say business no nkura bre mu nyina
sika sam die no kola bre mu nyina na meye eyie ba na me mame aye kebab satam na nyechinga na kebab na edi stew egusu ne bi no
ye ase
yes na wa ye edi aswame na me
etu ye kebab raba
me ye kebab
na me ye mu raba waton bi
na me di akochi eyie ase me chia na me ton be 5 na mare 1
so very na
so mama fa so nyina na me investment e wo me ba me body mu ti me tonga no side baby no na business che na nkoye mama nti na oye ice cream eton on say first ice cream rubber bi won ma no na ya fia ha nti na mama ye oye a na de aso ame na makoton baby wo hon so I wo oti region ho na aboto ase ho na mo market days e wo nti oye a market day no so de akọ na me so de akọchi ekra na se ho no na me de makoton du baby na penyin ice block no eno so maso abi akoton
de na asan aba no
maso abi aton sada nti du baby no before papa baba politics mo no na me ma me so okay ma me enua penyin police ni whatever at that time nti na me papa se me metna ne ho na me nko school kakra penyin for say won sai chi be yoda enti say won sai yem nti awo no mabrabo no na mebre me uncle yere no me uncle tu kwan nti na me uncle yere no baba na me wo mu ho no na enko yie ma me nti me dwane ko ye na ma me sande me ba back nti da kromo ho na ma me na kase ebo raye so like obesra ye impromptu to no be ne ye ko no ana so ana ade tu krem na wode me call back to the village na me ko to our school so wo ho nti me wie JHS e wo ja second St Francis school na me call secondary school e wo ho so women secondary wana me call school me wie ye na me wie secondary papa aye mi MP dada nti papa be fa me e ba
afede na aha na ye chere na start ye princess na start
yes nti aha na me hu se da bi me yo hene ba me yo de hye na me brande me ho ye na princess me ye me ho princess nti me papa say me ti fie san before results be ba no what they make computer school me papa you be a ope education nti na on my briefing space cry wo fie nti while I was in school no and my results by and na me to aso call game pa nti me koye catering me wie ye na me koye attachment e wo holiday in hotel nti wana me ye service kakra nti me ho na me wona me nya me tea about immigration na me say okay me pese me koye immigration
na Xandy game pa ne to
na me sande eno so set so
madam certificate na what is a go
na me ne to nti won say wo apply it takes some months nti me wie na me nya hwe no na me bo fast food joints kakra nti ade chia na pa
holiday in won pay bi so pese wa onya osika
me nya mesika so na me bo me fast food joints kakra de si ye fie nenim ho kiosk kakra bele to as a lot kiosk ana ne kesete ti ade chia na pa na ma ye benku emo ne keka ho na maton teasers na maton enwumre na ma ye tea oats na indomie yes na maton e no
chibom
na ma chibom na ma ye no so ho na maton nti na mechanics bi wo area mo nti mo na mo so aduane no mo e ma me do no papa so nti asese mako school na still
me ankasa metia
me ye na papa ontwe ma me nti otu kwan a na me business no nti na aye argument we fika kana papa na ade me eko ne office me ko be ne secretary se ne be obe monitor me
and also na be ko ejuma
enya asem ketewa okwa me ne no metika front say me ni police ni tika ne nim say na mamuna nso me ne den
obako
me ko sana kakakra and me de call immigration no
true that no be your movie no
na me de ba Kumasi me station me Kumasi regional office and na me de call movie industry
it also ne say that free montam no how
aha ye nyina aha me ma me aha me nuano ma aha me ankasa nso yes
nka wo ho anka ne ma bi wo anka wonye
enya ne me wo ho a ne mpese me ye de ka me se me but wo ho a ka ebia abrabo no the way a be wo ho no ma chiachia anka ebia ye nchia
uko movie industry who say na we produce how was it na you good business obi hwe ya person on venture fancy kan kwhye
oh so we produce movie a very good. Provided unya the right people to help you. Unya director bia Sabina Jofie, obedi no krama, unya crew a omo so omo odo edema edwuma na nyom omo pesika no. Ba omo odo yes. Na o cast new crew no nyina ye very okay. You would make returns.
Okay. Yeah. Quick one, what fi Kumaso back. And also Kumaso kana wo worry. Ya to wa worry bio. Waja ahofe si ho. And a quick one o back ra. Also so mema so. So what happened? Because I know they make a winning. Wo be any wo industry mu a. One who say na was sell no dey nka worry no. Den.
Yeah na ye tina se hu say ye pese ye edwuma dru ba bia ansa na ya worry.
But no be just to me say industry person emboa. Fame mienu no.
I believe in communication and understanding. Yet ye ho ase a ebetimi atena. Say ye nti ye ho ase ye nim ye ho na ebia nti ase ni ye mu a it won't work. It won't. Yes.
Ye wo hwa na Xandy worry ye. Ebehye. Shady, yes, I flatter me for me na me kono.
Ghana, how when name says Xandy? Yes, you come one, your body shame your one.
It's also out of
me. Someone body shame me, man. It become menu and name mammy or multi baby.
Wow, that's serious.
It's me can't consent to why ban never worry way. Why ban the baby say? So I made the statement say, men are me for sono and neck. Obi abe worry. So one I do flat tummy no also worry na that's all.
Okay.
So any shade, but the consumers didn't consume it well.
And I am so mo ye. And omo ka wo mo de. Na wo hu ni se nka worry. Na ye fe pa. So what ma social media in laws and mama get wo.
There be.
Can't now. Eh any bo me mo ne na nye. Eh Xandy. It is say nko focus say social media na bu a worry na social media. Individuals now.
Subai. Yeah, me nyina subai and na ma worry no.
So do you have any regrets
of marrying?
Yeah.
I don't have me regret is my worry, but my regret is my worry be man na me worry no.
Worry no.
Yeah.
Asia be di 1 year.
Yes, my Xandy anniversary no come hu ya anka men because me and na me forces oh ye ndi anniversary no na onye ready so be di.
Because you wanted this to work.
And me try my best to try and the best. Man, bet me finish here, but or just to make sure say or solve issues or say your parents or adibu muchim our be problems home.
Yeah,
make it work.
Yeah.
But I kept telling my mother say, send your wo bread wo dim. Bibi I was now I am not going to tolerate it. So the nobody share yes so and the man be bread
suicidal. Yeah.
Yes, so that is it. But any social media any go my worry.
Okay. Xandy say any social media any go na worry. Say I what here. What are your plans? Ma who say we be pageant be? Some beauty pageant be briefing and kakra. At all so. I know right?
Me I don't post me near
but
yes.
Me embarrassed.
I am one.
The eagle eye is working. Ma who say pageant be a beba and initiative no the way here are good. Nti dear na ye expect e dear na call from now no what's just start posty odobi e wo social media bi de waso ye din and just no so sign wo hobby second one ti say yenya wo den
me posty odo ne onim nia omo pese omo hu na me dem omo
so I content.
That's it. Oh, you know, maybe na me try me series be me my baby.
To say pageant here won't post here match.
I'm surprised say crowd you. There are lots of things I do and say only me and say me say me post here na me so me brag off. Yes. But me obi I don't know. And see me want to say those out there now omo fi so mo nimi omo kama asem no omo nimi nti na omo kana sa no
when we say near won post no ekoso
yeah
so would you learn from that and stop posting some things that how because I posting
no yes
because posting na
posting ti na enkom no ma what nti me ka say aware na no engine go
when him
so person we dwuma koso get the right people involved
okay Yeah.
Get the right people involved.
Yeah.
Me was Xandy Empire. Xandy Empire, me printing of t-shirts, cards, customization of things. Me one crofo omo ye adwuma, so am to omo ka.
Yeah.
And omo post it to social media, but me say omo family into so you don't know.
They don't know say obuka okra onye.
Yes.
When onye.
And see, it's not about posting, no. It's about how well you understand what you are doing and those involved. So ejuma wo ye, so we team omo ta wechi. Omo nyina omo nanso yi ya. Ka won't me try what I say. But it's because you have a very good foundation, very good pillars behind you. And in here. When you want to kwan kwasha hen, ejuma no be ba na e koso. Yes. What I say. So it's not about the
social media.
No. It's about how you do it. And I made the way I met here no. Because the be obeti me aware bia no. Obeti me obai bia aware. Obi onu obeti me aye adwuma bia no.
Obeti no bia aye adwuma.
Because me are very strict and principled. When it comes to me adwuma.
Ade ne ye nya ne yie.
Yes.
Amu abeye late. Okọ ne bibe.
Obe just say so no e ma pe no. Girls na say na no me hia no.
Ta.
Onim say me hia no. Onim bia me hia no.
It is to say obi hwewa edien na obeka kire nipa no because you've been through a lot. Yes. You're one of the few omutimi from just obu etimi attack wa hu say ye pese ye break you still now call.
Yes, and people are still attacking me. People are trying still to break me. But me mama you be on give up on enyama bi. And onya tim pampan and from answer ye bope. Now afre me. Bibi say eba, so be firm. That is it. Me who say baby I can't kono. I'm about to break down. I call my mother. Me so egu no so. Me so I say ko to use enyim nabo so nabo mpaye. That is what I do. I have spiritual mothers about receipts and yamishra or also so ojina me chinim pai body day and to say my imagine say then you walk and I mean yes. In the past years I've made so many mistakes. Which me akasa me my mistakes. My inheriting and now for enemies.
But when you say enye, cause obi betimi ase obi a kire won. But senka wo so ukoni pa no akotie de o kan aye. Me obi a me pade a me pade edisi. O ya meka. Oh yes, you know that
and sana metie.
Enti obi wo ha ohu ne sa ono be de kan abedi ntro because nsem a wa bekeka no. And some of the things ebiansem bisa wo pageanty is the people within. But when him now one ekun so obi wo be hu wa ade if the person is bad obe say no. Ansaba.
Dan say na me kan ho asem. It's terrible because unim baby obo afo ewo.
It's true.
I've made so many mistakes in the past and then it took me about a year to realize say baby I make kan kono. As a me yes. And I'm back to myself. This is me, a little bit of the old Xandy,
but the new Xandy, and then the cheers to the new Xandy life, empire, everything, greatness. Cheers.
But it's all good. I call whatever I go through growth. Me friend growth because say growth and kind of journey no hona. Yes, okay. So it's all good, but I'm fine.
My guest is Xandy Kamel and I yet to come. Mommy, now can be in your course today.
My son, my worry agreed, you'll be at you.
No, we are starting again.
Yes, starting you. Send the baby to Miss Yans.
Go.
Yes. I will go home.
So, no,
and not for more.
It's a broken heart.
Hey, me be the come here, madam.
Hey,
is you.
Really?
Is you. And
oh, baby.
Easy.
Broken heart,
hey,
be my own.
Hey,
hey,
yeah, hey. When Nancy me feel cock house, what I'm saying, I'm home.
Oh, the name of
hey, is you. Come here, madam.
Wow.
Come here, madam, but. Like I said, yes.
But I hope say obi obeba se see an be affecting because emba when ye hater obi ba or your right one kra wo hu because who so na twin it am so
the mistake I made before I remember way. I had someone who actually loved me. Ah,
no so
me fan say.
no what's concern no what's gonna no John and also true love. Oh papa Kafra. I know right.
In fact, when you be even I'm say yes, you blended for 2 years cross na me hu no. And during that period you know ohwe me na manage was okay. But
fit as true love.
Yes. Me and ono so you be me nsem hu nyina no. Me nsem hu cry na de. I think so, yes. Because bon say Edurabina me say from beautiful pole princess and sadly no that's a friend even so now. And the very day I me hear video and I me soon about me marriage issues anyway. He was the first person to call me.
Yeah, because of her.
Or the first person. And with all this omami to kwai.
Yeah. And
you know, so maybe
me
with me now I have two gentlemen. If I'm supposed to settle down with, I'll choose between them because these are the people who have shown me love, even in my trying times. Even when they know, say, they are still there for me.
Two, no.
Yes.
Kobo.
Two. Two.
Hey, and yes, Zandia. We will be now two. Cheers. Where the meme cheers with Andy.
Oh, and
cheers. Why? Cheers. Why? Two. Well, some numbers.
Me some be 3 o'clock na 5. Some I check days of the week.
Monday.
No weekend, my leave.
Tuesday. Wednesday.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, my leave. And no rest. Yankopon kraja ho epe ahomeda.
Omunyina so ni momo ho.
Omunyina.
This is beautiful. Sunday why are dear what here that so buy. Why say so would bet me up 5 Monday, Tuesday come me. Where the chess pounds world before say. Yen show love. That's we love it.
Oh
so
yes,
much.
Because love grabbing who be charge. Yay! Thank you. Oh, thank you so much, Pounds World.
You're welcome. And I Faye, the Jennifer. Picture thank you for coming.
Why? Thank you so much.
I feel happy see a good hangina. Wow. If I could feel not my 5 you phoning in a mammy.
Why? Miss me a fine girl.
I know, right?
Look at the picture.
Look
at the picture. Me a fine girl.
Me
a fine girl. Me just a many boy cry.
Na be 6 nights what just Saturday or Saturday home ya home da.
Sunday home da.
Sunday you back mama. Sing.
See na nako.
Some can say ade na no be.
Enye no a.
Enye no okay. Do you believe in polygamy? Me, my God never lies. What the heck come here, my boom? What do you believe in polygamy?
No.
Why?
Me, a one hell of a jealous person.
To so young shed it.
Mean to me. Hey. Hey. Ebia na wo ba me home Monday. Na so na Tuesday dey na wo senka medenyem. Na come there be no mean to me.
Wow.
No.
Wow.
I don't want it.
Wow.
I don't want it. You say one man, one wife. Simple.
So you don't believe in polygamy?
No.
Yeah, that was your Xandy. So you don't believe in polygamy? Da. Yeah, that was so about the journey. So yeah, that will be see. Wow, what's not see our share and the Juma dear meaning. So when you are Gina, once you are back, and now be me a new woman. The be I make say this show is not about trend. It's about say a person you see a dear. Now will be anti me for obi so. Abrabo mo asem ba ko bi ebetimi asesa wo so abrabo ama wadi ye me amedi dwumadi ho chia me din edi Abena Ghana abunofo agudie brunga ha for this year aha ena medi dwumadi ebesi asem ba ko ena da bia me kachero me sinyame wo ma ebeye ye me dododo bye bye my crowd cheers.